her son die and then let the kid said he saw him and come back to life. And then the man started asking her that, do you love your son more than I love my son? And then she was like, oh, of course not. So then do you think God loves your son more than she loves my son? And then they both started crying. So at that point, what do you think? What do you think the answer was?
That God loves all his children equally, and he treats everyone the same because we're all his children.
Okay. Any other perspective?
I agree with her. I think that God's love for us surpasses like our parents' love for us.
What I thought about it is when he asked the lady that question, I was thinking if her son passed, then he's probably with heaven, because remember she asked him, do you think my son is, he asked the pastor, do you think my son is in heaven? And then he started asking her those questions. So I feel like if God loves the child, then God probably took the kid to heaven. And then maybe he wasn't finished with the kid that went to school and came back to life. And that's why God brought the kid back to life to testify and say, well, heaven is for real. And that's what the movie is about. So that's what I think.
And then also towards the end, her son was in a church, and he had flowers in his hand and he was smiling at her, which kind of proved that he's okay and he's in heaven.
I was going to speak about that part next. That I feel like after the pastor gave that sermon, everyone who believed the sermon, God revealed his power to them. That's why after the sermon, you know how everyone came up to the pastor and started, consoling and, socializing. The kid saw heaven again. He saw the angels and he saw the clouds open up. But the pastor turned around, he couldn't see anything. I guess like the kid was probably blessed with, to see visions. And the lady who was playing the piano, she saw her son. So I'm thinking she believed in the sermon. That's why God revealed his power to her. And also the man that was saying the shit, he was just looking up. It seemed like he saw something that was making him smile, just making him, feel in comfort. So I feel like that's what it is too, that, he also believed the sermon, so God revealed his power to him.
Anyone else any contributions to that? Anyone?
Everybody